Today I am going to show you all two variations of palak pakoras, spinach fritters or spinach pakoras. See, we are going to use this spinach palak. One type, I have taken these leaves here. I have washed them and dried them. See here. We have cut the stems, long stems, only this much we need. I have washed them properly and dried them. So we'll make one whole leaf pakoras, and then we will make mixed palak pakoras. So for this I have chopped my palak, spinach. We have chopped spinach. Here we have few potatoes cut into thin strips like these, and then 2 to 3 onions sliced. According to your requirement, your quantity, you can take your requirement, you can take the quantity of these things. Here we have gram flour, which is besan. Then here we have salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, that is dhania powder, fresh green coriander chopped, carom seeds, ajwain, crushed garlic, green chili chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour or corn flour, anything you can take, half or 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and water for making a batter. We'll take this gram flour basin and we'll make our batter. First we'll make a thick batter, sort of paste type, and then we will add more water to make it a little thin. Now see here, we'll add salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, carom seeds. Carom seeds will put a little more because they are very good. Crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons, chopped green chili, green coriander, here rice flour, now little bit of baking powder, we will first mix all these spices in this flour, in this basin or gram flour, and now we'll add water and first make a thick paste of this gram flour. See, this is the right way. Always make a thick paste, and then later on, because like this we can mash and mix all the spices, garlic, carom seeds, everything can be mixed uniformly into this paste. What we will do, because since I have to make two types of spinach pakoras, palak pakoras, I'll take out little of this batter here for my whole leaf spinach pakoras, and now put little more water into this to make the proper consistency of this batter, so that this batter will coat the leaves properly. See. So now we'll keep this aside. Now in this main batter we will add in our spinach, onions, potato, and now with hand we will mix all this nicely. The batter, our onions, chopped spinach, potatoes, we have to sort of bind it together so that when we fry them they do not spread in the oil. So now see, now if we feel this is slightly wet, we will add more gram flour into this. See, we had kept this gram flour, so now we will spread more of this. And see now, yeah, this is only this much was needed, and this is a perfect. We can bind this like this, and it is okay now. I'll show you how to make. See here, I have heated this oil here in a pan, and now these leaves I had kept here in the batter we had made. Now we will dip these leaves in this batter whole like this, and very gently we'll pick it up and put it in the oil like this. They will really taste nice and crispy, and you will really love to eat these whole leaf fritters, whole spinach leaf fritters. See, it is easy, but you just have to be careful. With practice, once or twice you will be able to do it. See how nicely, see how fluffy they are getting there. We'll fry one or two more. Here. One last one. And now we'll turn them over. So now we turn it over. How nice and crispy. See how nice they are looking. Ones which we had put first are ready. We'll take them out like this. See how nice they are looking. They are really going to be delicious and crispy. You can take them out on a kitchen towel or tissue paper so that the excess oil can be taken out. So now see, here our whole leaf spinach pakoras are ready. Now we'll put the other ones. How nice, lovely and tempting are these palak pakoras are looking. So now you can serve them hot and crisp and put some chaat masala on these. And now they are ready to be served with any kind of chutney, green chutney, pudina chutney, tomato ketchup, imli chutney, as per your taste, your desire. So hope you will all try this simple recipe of palak pakoras at home and enjoy them. Thank you, friends. Mixture of mixed veg palak pakoras. Now see, we'll take this much handful and lightly we'll put them in the oil. The heat should be medium. It should not be too hot, otherwise they will not be cooked from middle. See here. Then we will take them out once and we will press them and fry them again. See, like this. We will keep putting small balls like this. These are going to be nice, crispy and delicious. Our pakoras, here see, they are getting golden color slowly. It will take just 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll show you how to take them out and to press them. These are ready. We'll take them out. See, they are like small round balls. Any shape you want. If you want straight also, it is not necessary that you have to make into a ball shape, but then they get nicely binded if you make them a ball. See, now what we have to do is we'll press them lightly. See, you can also take one pakoda in between tissue paper, 2 layers, and press it with hand also. But here I am going to press them with this potato masher here. So, and now we will again put them once to fry. We have pressed all our mixed pakodas like this. Now again in hot oil, see the oil is hot, we'll put them once again and let them fry for another 2 minutes and we'll take them out. They'll be really nice and crispy in this way. See here. See how nice, what nice color they're already getting. And now they will be properly cooked. There is no chance that they will not be cooked in the center, because we have made them and pressed them properly, and they are going to be very crispy and very tasty. Now our pakodas are ready. We will take them out. Here. And they are ready to be served. Our nice hot and crispy mixed veg pakodas are ready. So now again on these we'll sprinkle some chaat masala, and they are ready to be served with any choice of yours, with any chutney of your own choice. Green chutney, tomato ketchup, or with imli chutney as per your taste. So hope you will all try to make these pakodas at home and enjoy them. Thank you, friends.